and welcome back to our session number 15. And the agenda for our today's session is today we are going to study about a game development library in the Python, that is the Pygame. So today we are going to study about the Pygame and we will learn how to develop different games in the Pygame. Okay, so we will start from very scratch and then you will see how we can proceed building a simple games with this. Okay, like first thing, when you are planning to develop a game, the things occurs to your mind is first of all you need to solve these some questions like what kind of game I want to develop. Okay, and what the language I'm going to use and what sort of platform I'm going to deploy my game. Okay, so most of the time when we answer these questions, like some people want the 3D games, so for that we have HTML5 frameworks in which we can write high performance 3D games. Okay, but for the Pygame, like we can develop a graphical game. If you want to create a graphical, not the 3D, then you can create the game in the Pygame. Like you can create simple 2D games. Okay, and you want to program in the Python, then you can choose the Pygame, and in which we can create like the applications which are standalone executable. Okay, guys, so basically this is the agenda for today's session, so that you people can get the benefit of different libraries, like how to use, how to create the different games in the Python. You can create the games like bouncing ball, car races, or you can create the games like snake, simple game, the snake game you can create. Okay, so basically you can go to the www.goeduhub.com and there is, you can search the Pygame and the Pygame Python tutorial you will find out here, and you can see like basically you can see the basic syntax from here. I'll share the link of the article so that you people can refer this reference notes. Okay, and we are going to use this Pygame library. Okay, so first of all what we need to do, we need to simply install the Pygame. Basically guys, for the like graphical purpose, you don't prefer the collapse, you need to use your like Jupyter notebook, or either you are using the PyCharm, you can use those, or you can use the normal Python, because Colab doesn't support the graphical things. So this is basically even the graphical thing, so please do in any editor which you are preferring. So basically what you need to, or you can try in the Google Colab also, like I don't know it is working, Pygame is working or not, just check it out. Okay, basically Pygame is, what you need to do here, you need to install the Pygame, just writing the simple pip install Pygame. You need to write the simple pip install Pygame. So if you are using the Anaconda, so you can write here like Anaconda prompt, go to the Anaconda prompt and then you need to type here pip space install space Pygame. Okay, I'll show you, just wait a minute. So here I'm writing pip install Pygame. Okay, so guys, first of all you need to install the Pygame library, and some people from our batch is demanded for the Pylab library. That's why I have taken this topic today, and this is guys very interesting topic. Like you can create the interactive games. Okay, like you can input some like events from the mouse or from the keyboard, and it will respond accordingly. So basically you can create the interactive applications in the Pygame. Okay, so simply you can, first of all you need to install pip space install space Pygame. This is simply in my system it is saying requirement already satisfied, so I have already installed it. You guys can install it and it will take like hardly 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm closing this one, and what we need to do now, I need to open a Jupyter notebook, and where I need to import the Pygame, and then we can do the other things. Yes, we can create the different games. I'll in today's session I'll show you simple like what is the basic requirement to create the game and how you can create the game. We will take a simple activity today. Okay, so you can easily create any game after this class. Okay, so I think most of you already have installed it, and now what do you need to do? You need to open a new Python 3 notebook. Okay, and here you need to import Pygame. Okay, first of all import the Pygame, and it will show you, if you have already installed, then it will show you like hello from the Pygame community, you have installed Pygame 1.9.6. okay, so this is the basic thing, guys. And like we have installed. Next is we need to import this. We have imported, and I'm just going to create a simple Pygame application. Okay, so import is basically we can access the like Pygame framework. Now I'm eligible to access Pygame framework functions. Okay, and now what I need to do, I need to initialize all the modules from the Pygame. So for that I need to write, guys please follow along with me so that you guys will create some simple Pygame application during the class period. Okay, just follow along with me. If you feel any difficulty you can ask me question, meanwhile I'll answer your question. Okay, so Pygame dot init, and this will initialize all the modules required for the Pygame. Okay, and next part is, this is simple output showing. You don't need to worry about this. Basically I have initialized all the modules. Now I like, if you have initialized a module for a game, what do you need? You need a window. You need to create a window. If you want to play a game, then first of all what will occurs, like what will display to you, a window need to be available. Okay, so I'm going to create a window for the game, like Pygame dot display dot set underscore mode, and inside this I need to give the height and width and height. It will launch a window of desired size. Like here I'm writing like I can give 400 comma 250. Okay, it will create a window of the size 400 cross 250, and we can do the graphical activity over this window. Okay guys, and the other thing is I can give the title for this window also, like setting the name for the window. I'm just giving name for the window also. Setting for the name for the window like Pygame dot display dot set underscore caption is a function. एंड इनसाइड दिस हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, Pygame विंडो. ओके. एंड जो मैंने विंडो क्रिएट की है उस विंडो को मैं एक वेरिएबल में पुट कर लेती हूँ. ओके. सो विंडो इज इक्वल टू दिस एंड नाउ आई कैन रन दिस. You can see guys, this is the window, okay, but it is not responding. So what I need to do, I need to write a loop where I'll write a code like I will show this window infinity time until unless I'll not do any user input. Like whenever I'll click over this close button, then it will close the window, otherwise it will show the window. Okay. सो मुझे एक कोड लिखना पड़ेगा. बेसिकली दिस इज़ नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग. ओके. सो ये मुझे हैंडल करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे इस विंडो को कैसे ओपन करना है एंड कैसे मैं इसको क्लोज करूँ. टिल नाउ आई हैव क्रिएटेड ओनली द विंडो. ओके. एंड इट इज़ नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग. Okay, I'll close it. Okay, my kernel is dead. I'll run it again. Restart the kernel. Okay. Vaibhav is facing an error. What error is coming, Vaibhav? You can share with us. Pygame का कोई भी वर्जन हो सभी में चलेगा ये ऑलमोस्ट. What do you want? Explain it again. Okay, I'll explain it. I have not done nothing new. Till now I have told you, like first of all what you need to do, you need to import the Pygame. आपको Pygame import करना है. Okay, first of all आपको Pygame install करना है. pip install Pygame. After that you need to import Pygame. Okay. And then we need to do no video device. What is the video device? There is some problem at your side, I think. So this is, I'm importing the Pygame. After that, Pygame.init is a function that initializes all the modules for the Pygame. And after that, I need to create a window. For creating the window, I need to call a module from the Pygame called the display, Pygame.display, and inside the display there are the certain functions. One function is set underscore mode. This function will decide the window size. It will create a window of your own choice. Okay. Yes, you need to do in your editor. I have told you in the initially. Okay. So set underscore mode, and I can give here the width into height, and then I'm setting the name of the window. I can give the name of the window using this function set underscore caption, and you can give any name. Actually Colab is built for only the machine learning. It is not for the complete Python. Okay. So next thing is I have created a window. Now I just want to show the window for the infinity time. Okay. So for that I need to write a loop here. Okay guys. So I'll write an infinity loop. I'm taking a boolean variable done is equal to false. I'm taking a variable done is equal to false, and then I'm writing here while not done. Then what I will call here, I'll call the events. Basically यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं पाइगेम में. इवेंट्स क्या होते हैं बेसिकली गाइस, जो विंडो ओपन हुई थी, इस विंडो को मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूँगी, ये क्लोज करूँगी, तो ये एक इवेंट है. यूजर ने एक इवेंट किया, इस पर मैं कुछ कर्नल पे जाके कुछ क्लिक करूँगी, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अनदर इवेंट. मैं कीबोर्ड से कुछ एंटर करूँगी, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इवेंट. Okay, so basically you are creating a window and then you are going to create an interactive window. You just want to give some input and it will respond accordingly. Okay, so what I'm doing here, while not done, I need to write the loop here for every event. This loop will run event. I'm taking a variable event in. There is a Pygame, and inside the Pygame we have a package event, and inside the event we have a function get. Okay, अब हमें get function पे क्लिक करना, मतलब get function से event, जो भी events होंगी Pygame में वो सारी get function के पास आएंगी. पहले एक्चुअली events होंगे वो get के थ्रू हम लोग कैच करें. सो किस टाइप की इवेंट आती है उसके लिए हम लोग कंडीशन लिखें. ओके, इफ event dot type equals pygame dot quit. ओके, अगर आप क्रॉस पे क्लिक करेंगे, यहाँ जाके क्लिक करेंगे उस विंडो के, तो वो क्या इवेंट होती है, क्विट इवेंट होती है. जैसे ही मैं क्रॉस पे क्लिक करूँगी, मुझे क्या करना, मुझे इस लूप को ख़त्म करना. सो मैं क्या करूँगी, डन इज इक्वल टू ट्रू. डन की वैल्यू चेंज करते ही मेरा लूप ख़त्म हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड I'll write here, like I'll end this pygame dot quit. कंप्लीट pygame को क्विट करने के लिए आपको ये लिखना है. You can run this code now. And you can see कि यहाँ पे एक विंडो क्रिएट हुई है, एंड इस विंडो का कैप्शन क्या है, पाइगेम विंडो, पाइगेम विंडो. एंड देन इस विंडो की साइज क्या है, 400 इंटू 250. दिस एक्स एक्सिस इज 400 एंड दिस इज वाई एक्सिस. एक्चुअली इमेज और वीडियो में, जो इमेज में बेसिकली एक्स आपका ऐसे जाता है एंड वाई आपका नीचे की साइड आता है. टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर से आप रीड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द एक्स एक्सिस and this is the y-axis. Okay, and caption is this, and I'm running this. This is open. When I'll click over this cross button, close button, what will happen, it will quit. This is the quit event is occurring, and then it will do the done is equal to true and window will be closed. हम इस infinity loop से बाहर आ जाते. Are you getting, guys? Till now, like how to create a window in the Pygame. Simply what I have used here, I have used 2-3 functions. I'll explain one more time because this is the basic, very important. This pygame.init. This is initializing all the modules of the Pygame. Okay? And again, I have set the window is equal to display set underscore mode. Window is equal to this, and the size is a function in the Pygame to create a window. And this is the size of desired size. Okay? And this is a function set underscore caption inside the python.display used to display the name of the window. You can give any name, whatever you want. And then the loop, that is the place to stop our window on the screen. If you don't put the loop, our window will be created but will not stop. And here I have created the events. Like inside the event, we handle all the actions that occur above the window. inside this loop we are handling all the events. Okay, and you can write one more thing here. There is a one more function available, like Pygame dot display dot flip. Okay, it allows only a portion of a screen to be updated instead of entire area. Basically it will refresh a particular portion of the screen, not the complete screen. Run it, and like this is the window. If you want to update the particular part from this window, then you need to use this function pygame.display.flip. Okay guys, this is the simple window we have created. Now we can add some content to our screen. This is our screen. Now we need to add some content to our screen. Okay, basically Vishal, flip is a function, display.flip. Flip means इसका आप इस विंडो से एक पर्टिकुलर पार्ट, लाइक आपको पूरा विंडो रिफ्रेश नहीं करना, उसका एक पर्टिकुलर पार्ट रिफ्रेश करना। अभी इसमें शेप्स डालेंगे, हम अलग अलग चीज़ें डालेंगे, तो उससे आपको कंफर्म हो जाएगा कि हम कंप्लीट विंडो को रिफ्रेश नहीं करना चाहते हैं, हम उसके एक सब पार्ट को रिफ्रेश करना चाहते हैं। ओके, so I think till now it is clear to all of you. And next thing is, I'm just going to add certain shapes here and I need to interact with the shapes. Okay, I'm closing this window, and after this I just want to create a shape over this window. Okay, so I'm just going to put a rectangle over this window. So how to put a rectangle? Basically what I need to do here, I need to create a rectangle here. So I can modify this code only. This is the simple code, and I can copy this code, and in the below I can paste this code. Okay, and then I can write here like you want to create a rectangle. Okay, so for the rectangle what I need to do, Pygame dot draw, there is a package called the draw, and inside it there are lots of functions. One function is rect is only for the creating the rectangle. Okay, and you need to give here कहाँ पे आपको rectangle बनाना है, you need to create a rectangle over this window. Okay, so inside this I need to pass the window, and then I need to give the color of the rectangle. आपको क्या color देना? Like RGB, you need to provide 3 parameters RGB. Like you want to create a rectangle of red color, 255, 0, 0. Okay, it will create a rectangle of red color, and then you need to provide the parameters, like आपको screen पे कहाँ पे rectangle बनाना है, what should be the height and width of the rectangle. Okay, so I need to provide the coordinates. Pygame dot rect. Okay, and inside this I'm giving the like एक rectangle है, this is a rectangle, ये जो code लिखा हुआ है this is a rectangle, ये rectangle का top left corner है, आप इस corner के coordinates दे दो and आप width दे दो और height दे दो, तो आप एक rectangle draw कर सकते हैं. So I'm writing here top left corner coordinate xy like 30, 30, and then I'm just giving the width is equal to 60 and the height is equal to 60. Okay, and I can run this code now, and you can see here is a rectangle created over this window. of red color. Rect is a basically function defined inside this. Vibha, you need to use your editor, don't use the Google Colab. If you are using the Google Colab, then you are facing same problem. Okay, so what I have done here, I have created a rectangle of red color. You can see the same code. I have added only the one more function. That is the pygame.draw, and inside this draw, because rectangle बनाना है मुझे, आपको circle बनाना है दूसरा function है, आपको ellipse बनाना है दूसरा function. So I just want to create a rectangle, then there is a function called rect, and where you want to create the rectangle, you want to create the rectangle over the window, and you need to give the color. Color is red, green, blue. If you are giving the 255 for the red, then it is maximum value for the red, and other color would be 0. Okay, and otherwise you can give the combination of red, green, blue color. And this is the function that need to provide the coordinates for the x, y, w, h. Okay, so this is the simple. I have created a shape over this a normal window. Okay, so there are the four parameter inside this. This is the x, y, and this is the width, and then the height. So xy is the coordinate of top left corner, this corner, and then the width and the height. Okay guys, so this is the nothing more. We have created only the one extra shape, but we want to create a game, and that game should be the interactive. So this shape is not interactive, so we need to do more effort. Okay, we need to add the interactivity in this shape. Right now you can interact with this window is only you can click over this close button, and then this window will be closed. That's the only interactivity in this window. This is not a fun game. Okay, so simply we need to add more interactivity, like we need to add more events, more conditions inside this for loop. Like this is a for loop that is handling all the events. आपको क्या करना है, इसके अंदर जैसे आपने एक इवेंट क्रिएट किया, इसी तरह से आपको और भी इवेंट्स क्रिएट करना. ओके गाइस, सो व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, आई वांट टू लाइक जब मैं एक की को प्रेस करूं तो मेरा जो ये रेड कलर का सर्कल स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल है उसका कलर चेंज कर दूं मैं ब्लू में, रेड टू ब्लू, या जो भी कलर यू वांट. लाइक मुझे एक की प्रेस पे इसका कलर चेंज हो जाना चाहिए. आई वांट टू डू द चेंज ऑफ द कलर. Okay, so what I need to do here, I need to write a code, like I need to write a event. की प्रेस के लिए आपको इवेंट लिखना होता है. I'm just writing one more event. If event dot type, okay, are you getting guys? Can you give me quick confirmation? Is it interesting? We are going to create a game. Okay, key down. Key down is for the keys only. Okay, and I'm taking an input as a key down, and inside this I can put a particular key. Okay, like I can give one more condition. If event dot key, which key you want to press, event dot key is equal to pygame dot स्पेस की और वॉट एवर द बैक स्पेस, आप जो भी की लेना चाहते हैं आप पाइगेम की ऑफिशियल लाइब्रेरी पे देख सकते हैं डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पे। लाइक आई एम टेकिंग हियर की अंडरस्कोर स्पेस, आई एम टेकिंग द स्पेस की. When I'll press the space key, it will do some activity that I will define inside this if. Okay, so I'm taking a variable is underscore red. Okay, मुझे red color को क्या change करना है? Not red करना है. I'll give the another color. Not is underscore red. Okay, and what the other things I need to write here, मुझे एक कोड लिखना पड़ेगा. Like in place of this particular color, I need to give the different activity. Like I need to write here if condition. एक मुझे if condition देनी पड़ेगी. क्या if condition हम लिखेंगे? If is underscore red, अगर red color है मेरा तो मुझे क्या करना है? Color is equal to 255, 0, 0. Okay, and else what I need to write? Else color is equal to, like in place of red I just want to create a green. Okay, so 0, 255, 0. Okay, and what I need to write here, in place of this fixed color I need to give a variable called color. Okay guys, and at the top I need to define this is red is equal to true. Is red is equal to true. Okay, so I have taken one more variable is underscore red is equal to true by default, and then I'm writing here condition. If it is true, then what I'm doing, I'm taking this color, otherwise I'm taking the green color. And when I'm clicking over this space key, it will convert red to not red. Are you getting, guys? विशाल इज आस्किंग ए क्वेश्चन, मैम ये की ऐप रिएक्ट से पहले क्यों लिया है? वो तो हमने पहले क्रिएट कर दिया. की के बाद अलग लूप बनेगा. नो, आपको क्या करना है, हर की के बाद लूप नहीं बना रहे हम लोग. बेसिकली इस फोर लूप के अंदर आपको ये सारी इवेंट्स करानी है. सो आपने जैसे कोई कीज प्रेस की, लाइक की डाउन से आप की प्रेस कर सकते हैं. आपने स्पेस की प्रेस की तो हमने रेड वेरिएबल को क्या कर दिया, नॉट रेड कर दिया. और इफ़ हमारा रेड था पहले से, मतलब इसकी वैल्यू रेड थी, तो कलर ये आ जाएगा, अदरवाइज कलर ये आ जाएगा. ये इवेंट्स की एक्टिविटी है. ओके, एंड ये इवेंट होने के बाद हम लोग एक ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं एक रेक्टेंगल. उस रेक्टेंगल में हम यहाँ पे कलर को वेरिएबल रख रहे हैं. आर यू गेटिंग गाइस? एंड कलर को जैसे ही सेट होगा बाय डिफॉल्ट यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा, इज रेक्ट इज इक्वल टू ट्रू. रेक्टेंगल रेड ट्रू है, रेड ट्रू है तो यहाँ पे कलर इज इक्वल टू आपको रेड की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. अगर आप कोई की प्रेस करते हो, स्पेस की प्रेस करोगे तो रेड का नॉट रेड, मतलब कि दूसरा कलर ग्रीन कलर मिल जाएगा. Okay guys, so you can run this now. I'll show you. I think I have created this. This is my previous window. I need to run this now. And when I'm clicking over the space key, it is changing the color. You can give it a try. I'm changing its color, right? Red, green, red, green, red, green. Okay, clear guys till now? Like this is the interaction. The another second first interaction is to close the window, and now I have created one more interaction, that is the I'm pressing the space key and it is changing the color of my square. Now the next thing what I want to do, I just want to move this square. जैसे आपका snake game में snake चलता है, snake is moving and it is moving left, right, up, down, अलग अलग direction. Okay, so I just want to move this Pygame window like this rectangle. So what I need to do here, I need to write a code and in which I'm just changing the coordinates of x, y, w, h. Okay. So simply I just want to move this square. So like till now we have created two interaction. Now I'm adding more functionality to this. Okay, so I just want to move this rectangle. Okay, so I just want to do the 4 different keys. If I'll press the key up, key down, key left, key right, so it will move from left side, right side, top, bottom. अलग अलग तरह से आप अलग अलग की यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, basically I'm writing here the condition. Okay, or I can take this code and control Z. I'm copying this code and I'm taking another block so that you won't get the confused. Okay, and till now this is my first event. Okay, I'm just going to create another events. This is my one of the event that is changing the color. Now I'm just going to create another events. Okay, और there is the like key press में करती हूँ तो Pygame में एक पैकेज होता है key, so I can take that also, like keys is equal to Pygame dot key and dot get underscore pressed. Okay, and what I need to do here, this is the variable. I'm writing the if condition here. If keys, and inside the bracket I need to write the key. Pygame, you can take the simple this way also, like if event dot key equals to Pygame dot key underscore up, key underscore down, key underscore left, key underscore right. What the Vishal you want to ask? Just focus in the class so that you will get the something worthful. Otherwise you can leave the class if you don't want. If keys keys inside the keys, I'm just taking Pygame dot key underscore up. Okay, I'm taking a key called key underscore up, and this key, when I'm pressing this key, it means I'm doing some activity. Just a second. Then what I will do, I'll take these into the variables like x and y. Okay, x comma y, and I'll change the value of x and y. X is equal to when you are doing the key up साइड में जाएंगे तो बेसिकली आपका क्या होता है यहाँ पे, मैं इसको आपको रन करके दिखाती हूँ. अप साइड मीन्स दिस इज माई वाई एंड लेफ्ट राइट मीन्स दिस इज माई एक्स. ओके, सो अप एंड डाउन में मैं वाई को चेंज करूँगी एंड लेफ्ट एंड राइट में मैं एक्स को चेंज करूँ. ओके, so what I'm doing here, when it is pressed the key is up, then what I will do, y is equal to y minus, I'm taking a certain value, you can take the 3 4 कितने से आपको change करना है, I'm taking very small value 3. Okay, and similarly if keys and Pygame dot k अंडरस्कोर डाउन की जो एरो की है आपके सिस्टम में, अप डाउन लेफ्ट राइट. ओके, सो आप अप की प्रेस करेंगे तो आपका जो स्क्वायर था वो ऊपर की साइड मूव करेगा, एंड जब आप डाउन की प्रेस करेंगे तो आपका स्क्वायर नीचे की साइड मूव करेगा. ओके, y इज इक्वल टू y प्लस 3, नीचे की साइड आएगा तो ऑब्वियसली वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी, एंड ऊपर की साइड जाएगा तो वैल्यू डिक्रीज होगी. And similarly, I need to write the two activity also, like one is the left and another is the right. So keys and Pygame dot k underscore left so x will be decreased, x minus 3. And similarly if keys Pygame dot k underscore right, like मुझे क्या करना है, I just want to move the square लेफ्ट राइट टॉप बॉटम, चारों की से मुझे उसको मूव करना है, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं वो चेंज करने पड़ेंगे. लाइक आपका स्क्वायर पहले कहाँ पर है, लाइक आई विल शो यू हियर, ये स्क्वायर यहाँ, इसको नीचे लाना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, हाइट विड्थ में कुछ चेंज नहीं करना, आपको बेसिकली एक्स और वाई चेंज करना, ये कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज करना, थोड़ा सा नीचे लाना, फिर और नीचे, इस तरह से आपको इसको डाउन साइड में और मूव कराना है, या अप साइड में मूव कराना है, या लेफ्ट साइड में मूव कराना है, या राइट साइड में. ओके, so basically in the right side what I need to do, I need to write x is equal to x plus 3. Okay, and I'm changing my values for x, y. Okay, and I can run this code now. You guys can see there is some error. Wait a second. I need to check it out. X is not defined. Okay, I need to assign certain value to the x in the initial stage. Okay guys, like x की वैल्यूज इनिशियलाइज करनी पड़ेंगी मुझे. So before the loop, I'm providing some value to x. X is equal to 30 and y is equal to 30. Okay, I have initialized the value for x and y. Guys, are you getting the things? I'm just running this code. There is the one more parameter, initialization. Pygame is not defined. Okay, I need to import Pygame also. And now you can see that my output is showing, and I can move. I can change the color with the help of space, and then I can move with the help of arrow key. Like I'm pressing the down arrow key, it is going in the down side. If I'm pressing the right arrow key, then it is going the right side. You can see this. And if I'm pressing the down key, then it is moving towards the down. And when I'm pressing again the right key, okay, you can see this. This is the interact thing. And you can again move towards up. But one thing, guys, you can see it is moving, but it is not moving individually. The previous rectangle is already existing here. So what I need to do, I need to clear the previous one. And here should be only the one rectangle. Right? This question should come to your mind, why it is moving the completely. Okay? So what we need to do, we need to clear the previous one. हम लोग create करते जा रहे हैं. Like हमने क्या किया? I'm closing this one. I have taken x and y is 30. 30, 30. And then what I have done after that, like I'm increasing the value or decreasing the value. So if y is initially 30 and I'm pressing the down key, then it will be 33. So it is larger rectangle. Again I'm pressing the down key, it is y is increasing again and again and again. And similarly, if I'm going the downside, upside, then y is decreasing. So basically it is creating new, but it is not eliminating the old one. I need to make a solution for this also. Okay, so there is the wrong things are going on. Each time you are drawing a rectangle from the previous frames remains on the screen. Right? So what we need to do, how we can treat this thing? Guys, it is interesting or not? Are you liking the Pygame? Okay, so I'll tell you now, like what I need to do. I need to clear the previous screen. Okay, I need to clear the previous screen and reset the screen, as you can say. So what I need to do here, I need to write a single line code. Like when I'm doing this key pressing, after this I need to do the one line of code, that is the window. I need to refill the window dot fill, and I'll fill the window with the black color. Basically our window is black, and I can fill the window with the black color 0, 0, 0. Basically it will reset your window. Like what will happen, it will take like x is equal to 30 and y is equal to 30, and then whatever the key you are pressing, it will recalculate the x and y value. And then what it will do, the whatever the square is existing previously, it will remove that square, completely fill the zeros to complete screen, and then it will draw a rectangle x comma y comma 60 comma 60. Okay, so you can see the output now. Now I can run this. Now this is the running. You can run in the left side also. I'm moving, sorry. Okay, and you can run in the up side also. So if you are using the up arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key, and the down arrow key, it will move accordingly, and it is eliminating the previous rectangle. So this is something like that snag. स्नैक में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हमारा स्नैक चलता रहता है इसी तरह से, लेफ्ट राइट टॉप बॉटम मूव करता है. बस डिफरेंस क्या है, वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे परम्यूटेशंस लगाने हैं, लाइक कि उसकी लेंथ कब बढ़ानी है, कब घटानी है, इसके लॉजिक्स आपको अलग से बनाने पड़े. बाकी कंसेप्ट उसका यही है. Okay, so I have created the small application in which I have created a circle square, and I'm moving this square left right top bottom. Okay, so next thing is I'm just going to do just a second. लाइक आप एक स्नैक का गेम बनाना चाहते हैं जिसमें आपको एक बैकग्राउंड में इमेज भी देनी है स्नैक जैसी, आपको कुछ म्यूजिक भी इंक्लूड करना है. तो अब हम पहले क्या लर्न करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न हाउ टू इंक्लूड द इमेज, हाउ टू इंक्लूड द टेक्स्ट इन द विंडो. ओके, and then we can only use this, like we can create a game. Now I think most of the things should be clear to you, like how to work with the Pygame. Pygame is very easy and understanding, like it is very interesting also. It is showing you the output. Okay, so I'll first of all, what I'm doing here, I'm just simply going to create a simple application, and then I'll create a snake game also. So I'll show you how to take a background image. Okay, so I'm closing this one. Okay, so if we know how to read the images, then we can include the images in our game. We can include the text also in our game. Okay, and even bouncing balls also you can take. So I'll just going to read a simple image. You guys can download a simple snack image and whatever you want. Okay, so I'm simply going to write another code, import pygame. For the image part, I'm writing the code now. Okay, you need to import the Pygame, and then you need to initialize all the modules, and after that you need to read an image, and then you need to include that image into your window. Okay, so I'm just writing the code here. Pygame dot init window is equal to pygame dot display dot set underscore mode, and inside this I'm just writing a window size like 500 comma 500. Okay, and like I need to write the infinity loop done is equal to false. Okay, and while not done for event in pygame dot event dot get. This is the normal function for the events, and I'm just writing here some event like event dot type equals to pygame dot quit. Simple. For the closing I need to write this event always and done is equal to true, because आपको close तो always करना है ना. And now I need to write another code. Okay, initially I can take the white window also, like अभी तक मैंने जो window लिया वो by default it is taking the black window. I can create the white window also, like window dot fill. I can write one code window dot fill, and inside this I can give 255 comma 255 comma 255. This will create a white window. Okay, and now what I need to do, I need to read a image. So image is equal to pygame dot image dot load, pygame dot image dot load, and inside this I need to write the name of the image. So I have one image. I'll check it out. Control F dot jpg. I have one image, a snake image. You can see this. This is a snake image I have. Okay, I need to read this image. This is very big image, so I need to increase the window size also, or either I can like edit this image also. Okay, I'll take a larger window, don't worry. Okay, so I need to write here the name of the image snake.gif. आप जो भी कोई इमेज आपके पास हो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, सिंपल इमेज, एंड यू कैन रीड द इमेज. ओके, snake.gif. एंड अब मुझे क्या करना है, आई हैव रीड द इमेज. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू इंक्लूड दिस इमेज इनटू द विंडो. सो विंडो में इमेज को डालेंगे, जैसे रेक्टेंगल के लिए रेक्ट फंक्शन था. So for the image what we have a blit function. Okay, so we have a blit function. I'm just going to use this blit function. For that you need to write window pygame dot blit, and inside this you need to give the name of the window like pygame dot blit, and आपको कहाँ पे डालना है, like window window dot blit and inside this I need to give the name of the image, comma, the coordinates, कौन से कोऑर्डिनेट, लाइक दिस इज़ द कंप्लीट विंडो एंड आपको इमेज कहाँ से शो करनी है, आधे विंडो में करनी है, आप लोकेशन दे सकते हैं, लाइक आप टॉप कोऑर्डिनेट दे सकते हैं कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट होएगा. सो आई एम गिविंग हियर 20,20. ओके, एंड आई कैन राइट दिस फंक्शन pygame डॉट डिस्प्ले डॉट फ्लिप. Okay, and then you can simply quit this. Pygame.quit. Okay guys, I can run this. Okay, it is not showing. Basically when image बहुत बड़ी है, I need to increase the window size. 5,000 को 5,000. I'm taking a larger window. And you can see here this image is very big, so that's why it is not showing the completely, but you can take this small image, and this is basically how to read the image and how to show the image with the Pygame. Okay guys, so till now this is clear. We can include a window, we can include a image in this. This is very big now. I have taken 5,000 actually. Here the close button. Okay, so you have taken like how to write the how to read the image. Next part is how to write the text over this window. आपको text लिखना है, like you want to create the first window in which you will write a text like welcome to my Snag Game, start the playing, you will write some instructions. So how to write the text over this window. Okay, so in the Pygame I'll show you how to write the text, and this size I'm reducing. This is very big size I have taken. Okay, so next part I'm doing here, I'm just writing some text. For the text you need to write, like for the text you can give even the fonts also, and you can simply write the text. आप सिंपल टेक्स्ट, डिफ़ॉल्ट टेक्स्ट देना चाहते हैं, आप सिंपल टेक्स्ट लिख दीजिए. आप उसके डिज़ाइन भी देना चाहते हैं, फ़ॉन्ट साइज़, कलर, you can give all these things. So I'm writing here the code. You need to write this code, import pygame and pygame.init and window is equal to pygame.display and dot set underscore mode, and inside this I'm writing like 300 comma 300 and clock I can leave it, I don't need the clock. Basically clock मैं इसलिए लेती हूँ कि वो कितनी frames per second आएंगी, so leave it. And then I'm taking a variable done is equal to false. Okay, and here I need to give the text, like the what text I want to take. I'm just specifying the font. I'll show you the designer text. So how to take the designer text, pygame dot font dot sys font. This is the class inside the Pygame. Pygame के अंदर एक class है font, and font के अंदर एक function है sys font. Sys font में S capital है and font का F capital है. SYS and capital FONT, and inside this I need to write like what font you want to give. I don't remember the name, so I'm giving here none, and I'm providing the size. Like I can give the size 50. Okay, basically I just want to write the size for the font, and then I need to write here the text which I want to publish, I want to print over my window. Okay, so font dot render is a function, and inside this I need to write the font like welcome to Go Edu Hub. Okay, and I can give the color of this font, like what color you want to give. Okay, and here this one keyword you need to write the true and comma, then you need to give the color in 3 parameters. Like I just want to write the red text 255 0, 0. Okay, and after this what I need to write, I need to write same loop for the infinity loop, that infinity while loop, while not done. Okay, and here I'm just going to write the for loop for the events, event in Pygame dot event dot get. Okay, and if event dot type equals Pygame dot quit, ये तो मैं हमेशा लिखती हूँ, Pygame dot quit. Okay, and the next thing what I need to do here, I need to add this text. So there are some different things. इस लूप से मैं बाहर आ जाती हूँ. फोर लूप के अंदर मुझे कुछ नहीं लिखना है. इवेंट इज ओनली क्लोज इवेंट. अब मुझे टेक्स्ट ऐड करना है. सो लाइक अभी तक मेरी जो विंडो आ रही थी, दैट विंडो इज ओनली द ब्लैक. नाउ आई वांट द विंडो वाइट विंडो. अगर मुझे वाइट विंडो करनी है तो मुझे क्या करना होगा, विंडो डॉट फिल. ओके, and inside this I need to give the coordinates like 255 comma 255 comma 255. Okay, this is only for the window, for the white window. I just want to show the white window. Over the white window I just want to write some text. Okay, and next thing is window dot blit. Blit is a function to include the text. Like for the image what we have, this same window.blit image and image coordinates. Similarly here we are also using the blit function window.blit, and inside this I need to write what text I want to put here, text that I have provided here, and I need to give the location of the text. Like I'm giving the location of the text, like this is a window of 300 comma 300, so I just want to write here 100 comma 100. Okay, I need to put into the bracket 100 comma 100. Okay, this is a parameter and it will include my text, and text will be written at the starting point would be 100 comma 100. Okay, and the next thing is same function pygame dot display dot flit. एक्चुअली डिस्प्ले डॉट फ्लिप का अभी आपको यूज समझ नहीं आ रहा. बेसिकली जब आप रिफ्रेश करते हो, जब आप नए सर्कल्स नए स्क्वायर बना रहे थे, उस टाइम आपका ये यूज है pygame dot quit. Okay, and I can run this code now, and you can see the output, and you guys can write this code like init, and then the window ये आपने सब में लिखा है 2 लाइनें, these 2 lines are different. Okay, and all this is after that window fill and window blit and then the display. Why this is not showing? I think there is some problem with my system. Close the window and I'll again run it. It's getting okay, kernel is died. I'll run it again. Sometime it is happens because हम graphics पे काम करते हैं तो ये system से ज़्यादा load लेता है. Image आप Vishal is asking a question, ma'am image show नहीं हो रही. Maybe your image would be more greater. आपकी image थोड़ी छोटी ले लीजिए आप, या आप window size बड़ी कर दीजिए तो उससे आपको image दिख जाएगी. ओके मैंने भी ये विंडो छोटी ली है इसलिए वेलकम टू ही दिख रहा है ओनली. आई विल इंक्रीज द विंडो साइज और आई कैन डिक्रीज द font size also like 30 and window size I'm taking 400, 400. Now it would appear like welcome to Go Edu Hub. Ma'am please repeat. Okay, I'll just repeat. Just wait a minute guys. I'll repeat one more time. Like for the image and text both I'll repeat. First of all, you guys just see how to include a image in the Pygame window. For that what you need to do, this is the simple thing you know very well. Import this, initialize, and then the window creation, and this is my infinity loop. This one till this you know, but inside this while loop like outside this for loop you need to write certain things. Like I'm creating a window dot fill 255 255 255 means I'm creating a window, white window. Basically 0 pixel represents black window and 255 represents white window. Okay, so I'm creating the window white, and then I'm reading the image. How to read the image in the Pygame? Image is equal to pygame.image.load, and inside this I just need to write the name of the image. That should be have in your system. Like if you have at certain location, I'm having in the current directory. If you have at the certain other location, then we can simply we need to give the path. Okay, so here what I'm writing, I'm just taking this image name, and then you need to include this image to the window. So there is a function called blit, window.blit, and inside the blit what I need to give, I need to give the name of the image, and then this is the coordinate x comma y from where your image will be located over the window. Like this is complete window, and this top left corner is a 0 point 0 coordinate, and we are moving towards left to right. It will increase the row, and top to bottom it will increase the columns. So basically 2020 would be like somewhere here, and the image will fit over the window started from 2020 location. Okay, this is the simple for the image part, and the similar to for the text. You can keep a normal text also. I have given a font, and then I have provided the like some color for the that particular text. So pygame.font.sysfont, this is the class, and inside this we have sysfont function, and two parameters I need to give. First is the font name, and second is the size of the font. Okay, so this is the simple thing. And the font I have decided, like font size, it will take the default font and size would be the 30. And then font dot render, I need to write the text, and this is the true, it should be visible, and 255 comma 0 comma 0. Basically this is the color for the font. And then this loop I need to write, this is the simple, and the window I'm filling with the 255 white window. And then this blend function, inside the blend function we need to give the text comma coordinates of particular point where you want to write, from where you start to write the text. Okay, so you can see this is the simple, and then display dot flip, and then the pygame dot quit. Okay guys, I think this should be clear to all of you, and we have created a small application. Now I'll show you how to create the snake game, the complete snake game. You can create the complete snake game also. Like what extra activity you need to do, you need to combine all these things, and you need to do some certain calculations also. Okay guys, so next thing I'm going to show you how to run a snag game, and what is the necessity for the snag game, what you need to write extra code. Basically one thing is you need to combine the text and image, and then there is the other certain rules for the snake, like we need to put some food for the snake, and if it will eat the food then we will increase the points, and if it will crash then we will decrease the points for the snake. एंड किस डायरेक्शन में जैसे ही उसको फूड मिलता है डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाती है, ये सब रूल्स आपको एक्स्ट्रा लिखने हैं. Okay, so I think till now everybody have done, and I'll show you one more code. Just wait a minute. I'll show you a snake game to you. Just wait a minute. And how you can create the game just like that, I'll tell you. Like I just want to show you a game. You guys can use that game. Like basically what is the game, we have put it a, like जो मैंने एक इमेज ली थी उस इमेज को मैंने बैकग्राउंड में डाला है, and here the, like this is my snake is moving. Like just a second, actually there is some issue, wait a minute. actually it have music also, and it have image, so that's why your system may crash in between. Or you can create the simple game also, I'll tell you. This is previous window already open. Okay, and actually music file I have deleted, that's why I'm writing the another path of the another music file. Okay, so this is basically a window will appear. So first what you need to do, you need to create a window that will write some text, and you need to write certain instruction also, like welcome to the snakes, press space bar to play. I'm pressing space bar, and then here we are calculating the score, and this is the background image, and then you can move this snake like left, right, top, bottom. I have lost the game, so game is over. Press enter to continue. Okay, so I have entered. So this is the activities I'm doing. I press the enter, and I can again play the game. And if you are playing properly, like this time I'm moving, I need to save my snake. Okay, if you are good with this, with playing, then I have again lost, so this is the game over. Again I can play the game with the enter, or I can quit the game. Okay, so this is the demo I have shown you. You need to create this code. I'll tell you, I'll give you the help and the guidelines. Okay, so how's this game, guys? Can you give me the feedback? Like you can play this. Okay, so this is the demo part. And I'll show you the code part also. That is little bit big. We cannot create within the class, but I'll tell you the concept. You guys can how to control the speed of the snake. Mohammed Frajul is asking a question. Basically, for this, we have a time class, time package inside the snake, this Pygame. We can use that basically, like in the Pygame, you are seeing a window. Basically, this speed we cannot control directly. We can control the speed through the frames per second. Okay, so there is a clock module. You can use pygame.time, and there is a clock, and from there you can use this. Like I'll show you two functions you need to use for this. In this code I'll show you, like somewhere we have written also, na? In this also, this clock, you need to take this clock pygame.time.clock, and I'm taking this variable, and then here the clock dot tick 60 means it will take the 60 frames per second. You can increase or decrease the frames. So you can control the speed of the snag. Okay, so basically I'll send you the link of the code also. You can go to the this one article for the basics I have shared with you, and the another article for the Pygame. Just a second, I'll share the code part also. Like over the GoEdu hub sites, you can see this code and you can run in your system also, and then you can get the concept what's going on. Okay, I have shared with you the code part. You can open that link and there is the total code is provided for this. And what you need to do, you need to change there. We have, like, I'll show you the code in my screen. Pygame. The link which I have provided to you is this one, and this is the basically code part. And here what you need to change, you need to change this JPG image and you need to change this music. You can hear the music also. In my case I have added the microphones, that's why you are not able to listen the music. And at your system you can see and listen the music also, like qq.mp3 you need to replace with a music file in your system. There are 2-3 places where we have put it this file, and the image file you need to replace, and then you can run this code. This will be run very nicely, and this is very nice. And you can create like this, and like I think every concept you know now, you can create it by yourself also. Like most of the things I have covered that we are used in this game. Okay, so just try to understand this game. Each and every concept you know now very well, the basic things that are required to develop a game, and even I have shown you the demo also. So now you should be motivated and you should create your other games also, like bouncing balls, something the like some other games also, car races. You can create the game. So just give it a try. And Pygame is very interesting library, guys. You will love this library if you get the some certain hands-on over this. And these are the practical games you can develop in your system. Okay, some other questions? If you have any question you can ask me now. Otherwise I'll give the certain instructions for you guys. Basically till today we have you, meanwhile you can ask the questions, I'll answer your questions. If you have any question related to Python machine learning, and the next part is the this base, like certain library about the machine learning, about certain library from the Python. Okay, and I'll share with you one link, guys. You need to visit this link. Basically like I have shared you a link shared with you. You need to see this YouTube link. Basically what's there, we are basically we are going to organize a workshop on the applications of machine learning, applications of computer vision, and that is the basically visualization part. You need to do work over the images and videos, and that is very interesting, guys. Computer vision part is um, very interesting. If you like the computer vision, you can create the different attractive projects in the computer vision. So I have shared you the link of YouTube a workshop that we are going to conduct on the next Sunday, I think on scheduled for the 14th June. You guys, if you guys want to attend, this would be the 6-hour workshop. for a single day, for a, I think 14th is on Sunday, and in which you will get the lots of things. You guys can like press the bell icon, or you can remember this event, like set a reminder for this event. And if you want to attend the computer vision part, that is the free of cost workshop. You don't need to pay anything, and you will get the lots of knowledge, and I will take that session. I have shared the link here also. I'll share in the group also. Don't worry. So what we need to do, what you need to do, you need to set a reminder so that you will reminded and that day, and you can attend the 6 hour session that will be totally hands-on and based on the open CV, in which we are going to work on the images and videos and live project on the like social COVID-19 project that is nowadays very trending, social distancing project we will be going to do during this workshop. Okay, so one complete day we need to devote. Okay, and you guys can join that workshop, and that is also the certified workshop. At the end of the day, you guys will get the certificate for that workshop also. Okay, that is about the next event we have organized, we are going to conduct. Okay, and for about your this training, this is the last day, guys. This was the nice experience for you guys, and नहीं कल से I will not take your classes. This is basically scheduled only for the 15 days. So today are the last day, and what you need to do, you guys need to like write your comments below the videos, like for the today's video, and we will check your attendance, and like coming 5 days we will send you the certificate over your email according to your presence, attendance, and our team is also monitoring the meanwhile your attendance, like you are attending the lecture or not, and your the comment section, what are the session summary you are writing. So basically we will send you the certificate after the 5 days, like within the 5 days. And Naina Jain, for what the link you want? For the coming workshop, I have shared the link. You guys can see that link for the workshop link I have shared in our group. And one more thing, guys, you can see that and some guys have the question, ma'am, these video will be always or not. Basically these are the videos will be available always lifetime over the YouTube. You guys can anytime, you guys can revise the session, and like if you are feeling any difficulty, you can write the if you face any question related to these videos, you can paste below the comment in the comment section also. We are frequently we are taking the comments, so if you have any question related to these topics, you can write below these videos in the comment section. Okay, and we will send you the email. I think you have like you need to claim for the certificate, you have filled that form. Okay, that I'll share in the group also. And if you have any question now, you can ask me like related to these topics. And guys, be connected with our channel. We are planning multiple events in the future, so you guys can get the notification. If you subscribe the channel, you guys can get the notification like upcoming events in your account. So if you are not connected to our group or some other way, so you can get the notification over the YouTube also. Okay, that's up to you. And I'm planning like you guys can communicate this event link, this YouTube video link, the coming event for the workshop I have shared with you. You guys can communicate to your other friends also, so the other people can get the benefit. You can work as a coordinator, you can tell your friends also. Okay, So thank you so much, guys, and be connected to our channel. I'll planning to other like whenever I'll get the time, I'll schedule some sessions, and even I'll upload some videos over the YouTube also in the future related to latest technologies and latest projects. So you guys get benefit. Our motto is to provide the like quality training to the students. Yes, you have to register for the workshop. We will share you the link for the registration also. Just wait because it is announced just this class before this class only. So I don't have the link. We will share the link with you guys also. And keep walking in this field, like just walk in this field, don't leave there, just do the other experiments in the Python machine learning, whatever we have learned here. You can continue the working over these fields so that you will get the expertise. And like if you are a BTech student, you are final year, second year, first year, you need to go in your placements, so you should clear all the concepts. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and I'm happy to teach you. And I'm waiting in the in the future. We will meet again. We will study the lots of things, and you guys can see our website www.goeduhub.com. You guys can learn from there also. There are lots of things available, like about the neural network, about the machine learning, about the deep learning. There are lots of articles, so you guys can get there. And there are also the lab contents also available for the most of the universities. We have so solutions for the labs also, so you guys can select your university. Like in the upper side menu had, like I can show you here, over the website, go to your university, Python lab, DSA lab, AI lab, Linux lab, OOPS, DBMS, Java. You can check these labs, and you can practice. Like if you are in your college, you are doing the DBMS lab, then you can go to this lab and you can take the other universities lab also, solve the questions and clear your doubts. So more and more practice, if you do over a particular topic, then it would be good for you. You will get, don't worry about the certificate, guys. You will get within the next coming 5 days. I have already told you. Okay? Next, within the next 5 days, because we need to analyze all these things. So within the next coming 5 days, you will get your certificate, and you can connect to with us over the LinkedIn. Like you can connect with me over the LinkedIn also. So you will get the latest news and each and everything. I'll share my LinkedIn profile with you guys. Okay, just a second, I'll send you. Okay, this is my LinkedIn profile. You guys can connect with me, and for the further upcoming events, you will get the news from there also and from the YouTube also. Okay. And if you have any other question, you can ask me now, guys. Related to session, related to technology, whatever in your mind, you can ask me. Okay. And how's you are feeling? That is the good. Some people have written, ma'am, this was the very nice session, and this was the good experience for us also. And we will continue the sessions. Like this is only the 15 days training. We are planning the another trainings also. So you guys can work as a coordinator also. We will send you the links and all. You will see that. Okay. I think this is enough for today. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye and good night. And if you have not subscribed our channel, you can subscribe the channel now. You can like the video also if you like this. And like if you will subscribe the channel, you will get the coming notifications. Okay.